Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and it is today's market update for September 15, 2020. And you look at the chart here, so the market, they continue to put it back up in the upside and they did morning and then they in the morning put it back up and then they pull back down and last minute they put it back up a little bit. So overall the market it still have a hard time to put it back up. So we need to see how far the market it can put it back up. Either they go back up and then they will slam them down again. So right now they are waiting for the Fed going to announce a meeting tomorrow, as well as the horrible option expire. Okay, so that we can see where clearly what the market is heading to. So right now in the shorter time frame, we see the market is be able to hang around here. So tomorrow, if the market is open, they'll be able to go up, and then they have some more room to get up to the upside. Or if they roll over again, go down further, and then we have more downside coming in. So far, the market is still hang on to this level, and then we can see overnight to see the future yet how they are doing. So at this moment, they try to push it back up. They have a strong resistance at this level here. They couldn't pass through. So they tested, they failed 3 times already. So let's see overnight the market be able to hang on to it and push it back up, okay, before they roll over again to the downside. So the market is in the correction. So we have to be a little bit careful to go long until we see the clear direction. Okay, so if you are a day trader, you can see that the market is in the evening, the market puts it back up in the morning, and then they run out of gas, they pull back down, and then they push it back up, and then they go nowhere, and after that they just hang in there and go sideways, and then they drop during lunchtime until the last minute, and they have a support, and then they bow back up. So after I finish my live trading room, be able to jump in and have something left here. Just grab some quick money for day trade. The total net profit for today is $500.17, and turn around and do a lot of swing trade. So that's what you're supposed to do when the market it goes sideways in the correction mode. So if you look at a lot of stock like Nike, it's still doing pretty well. McDonald's still hang on to it, and FedEx okay, it still hang strong in the upside, and Home Depot is still doing well, and A&F, okay, so those stocks are still strong in the upside. Okay, so if you are a member, you will also be able to access to the Wall Street watchlist. Maybe we feature out for them, okay, some stock like Dow, it will be entry and exit and stop loss. Okay, FCAU, and this one is only one day to get to the destination. Okay, so this is all I have for you for today. So let's see tomorrow what the Fed is going to announce, so that we can see the future of the economy, where they go, and then we will go from there. So thank you very much for watching, and we're going to see you on the next video.